Hey, Foothill CC. I just wanted to say hello and welcome to week 3 of your Foundations memory work. So this week we have very little that we're going to do via song or hand motion. So I have 2 to show you. We are going to put some hand motions to the history sentence. So first of all, I want you to remember that the Greeks and the Romans had lots of little g gods. And we can remind our students that we serve the one true God, right? And so they didn't know the one true God. So they attributed all these different things to all these little g gods. Okay. So for Zeus and Jupiter, we're going to throw lightning bolts. So that's what the Greeks and Romans thought Zeus and Jupiter did. And then for Hera and Juno, we're just going to point towards our ring finger because they were the wives of Zeus and Jupiter. And then we have Ares and Mars. They were the gods of war. So we're just going to pull a bow back and let it go. And then we have Aphrodite and Venus, the goddesses of love. And we have Hermes and Mercury. And so they were the messengers. So we're just going to put our hands to our face like a messenger. And then we have Athena and Minerva. So they were the goddesses of wisdom, of thought. And then we have Poseidon and Neptune. So we're just going to use our hands like waves. Okay. So got a little bit of our ragweed situation going on down here in South Carolina, so I'm a little bit stuffy, so just ignore my beautiful singing voice. But the song is Zeus, Jupiter, Hera, Juno, Ares, Mars, Aphrodite, Venus, Hermes, Mercury, Athena, Minerva, Poseidon, Neptune. Okay, so if hand motions are helpful for your child, use them. If they're not, don't use them. It's up to you. And then our second one is our science. So this week it's some parts of an animal cell. And so we're going to use some hand motions and a song. And again, if the songs are not working for your family, don't use them. But we have the nucleus, and we're going to point to our head because the nucleus is the brain of the cell. So we're pointing to our brain. So nucleus, and then we have cytoplasm, and it's the stuff that fills up the cell. So we're just going to use our hands here. And then we have vacuole, and we're going to point to our belly or put our hands on our belly. So that's where the cell stores energy. Our belly is where we kind of generate and store energy. Mitochondria is what produces energy. So maybe say that the vacuole stores food, and then the mitochondria is the energy center of the cell. And then we have the cell membrane. So we're just going to kind of make a circle with our fingers. And then we have Golgi bodies. And so Golgi bodies kind of package up the proteins. And so we're just going to mime packaging up a protein, and you can even put it in a box if you wanted to. And then at the end, we're just going to kind of do a little bum bum. So you don't have to do that, but we're going to sing it to How Much Is That Doggy in the Window. So what are some parts of an animal cell? Some parts of an animal cell are nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole, mitochondria, cell membrane, Golgi bodies, bum, bum. Okay? So hopefully that's simple enough, and I hope that those hand motions, which I actually stole from another CC tutor, I hope that those hand motions will remind your student what the jobs of these different cells are. And certainly for your older students, this is a great opportunity to dig deeper and learn more and more about all the different functions inside of our cells. All right, I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.